Good morning and fantastic week ahead. All right. Let's see. What do we have here? London is not open yet, so oh boy, lots of things have happened during the Sunday open or the new week start, which was only a few hours ago. But hey, it was a really exciting move, especially for gold. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. So I was making my weekly forecast, uploading it yesterday to Discord. And of course the market was closed, so I uploaded it here. And I exactly said that, okay, we're going to take out the 2081, that's for sure, so that's not even a question. And then this line, I put this line here during Sunday that, all right, guys, next target is 2100. And then look at that, boom, dish. Gold. Wow, what a crazy move. Also crazy move on Bitcoin as well. Although I'm not trading Bitcoin, it's just interesting to watch. Okay, anyway, gold was, wow, look at this, look at gold. Interesting to see that this sell side liquidity, by the way, just saying, should be taken out. I mean, lots of positions has been triggered up here, so I would really be considering taking a short position on gold here. Actually, I might just take it. Trade, market, sell. I'm gonna sell maybe one contract here. Maybe a little bit higher, maybe here. I'm gonna sell one contract here. Yeah, that's fine. I know it's super risky. This is a trade-of-8 account. Of course, it's going up. But I'm just curious if it's gonna go down to this level. Let me put some take profit here. 85.7. All right. I'm gonna put a take for 85.7, a buy limit order right there. So that's gonna be my take profit. And since I entered early, I'm gonna put my stop loss just above there. Maybe I entered a little bit too early. It's fine. It's a challenge account, but gold has to retest that low. Oh, damn it. The risk reward is way off. Entered too early. No problem. No problem. Buy stop. I'm going to put a buy stop right there. Okay. Maybe we're going to add one more. But the reason is that gold made such a push. Zero to hero. Hey there. Which firm can allow direct trade from TradingView? Well, all that I know is Trade-O-Wait. If you're not looking for a prop firm, then Trade-O-Wait here is the one that you're looking for. Or if you want to trade with a prop firm, then go with TopStep. TopStep has an integration with Trade-O-Wait through TradingView, so go with TopStep, by the way. That's what I would suggest. That's what I'm doing here, actually, so that's it. And can you drop a like, please? Thank you. All right, so it was such a huge movement on gold. I would be expecting all this liquidity to be delivered down here below this sell side. That's why I took this scalp trade here. I'd like to see Trade-O-Wait. Well, technically it's a broker, but you know, if you just Google it, there you go. Futures with leading brokers. So it's a brokerage firm. And you know, if you just Google it, is a modern futures trading platform. So it's very simple. You just Google it and you will receive all. Is Tradeaway a good broker? Overall, a great platform. That's what Google says. Blah, 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 blah. So you can find everything with Tradeaway if you don't want to trade with TopStep as a prop firm. That's it. All right. So this move on gold, wow. No problem there. Can you drop a like? Thank you. So gold, this move, wow. Historical high, all-time high on gold, all-time high. I'm not sure what was the catalyst here. Maybe the war, or I was reading the news, and you know, I don't know. I was reading some websites, Daily FX, Bloomberg, stuff like that. I can't really make of it. What I mean, I don't know. Anyway, it was really crazy move. So everyone is triggered here. I would like to see a quick retest below this sell side, but this is not our goal this morning. We're looking at NQ as well. So Nasdaq, I made a forecast in my private Discord membership as well, and I mean, the repricing of this range, I think it was quite beautiful. Look at that. This is the 1 hour NQ. The thing that it did on Friday, it's actually, I think, is beautiful. This is just a beautiful movement. Almost repriced it to the tick. Bearish order block right here. I think the low of this candle, let's look at this, 16051.50, and the high of this candle is almost to the tick. I can say that. Beautiful delivery there, stuck in this range. If we go down to the 15-minute, let me get this away from here. We have a 15-minute fair value gap down here, this gray area right there, starting at 15930.25. That's where it starts. Quite close. I mean, who knows? And if you look at the 5-minute, well, there's nothing really interesting. We do have a small new day opening gap from Sunday inside here. As you can see, it's quite interesting. It's above the 16,000 level. So I wonder if first we're gonna go down here to the 15-minute fair value gap and then maybe start to push up more. I talk about this a lot more in my Discord. I'm still bullish on NQ, by the way. Final target would be 16,257. So I'm pretty much bullish. And as for pound, I'm just, you know, looking at pound for fun. So I'm looking at pound because there's nothing else to do really in London session. So pound now tapped into a 1 hour buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. And if you look at the daily chart, then it's clearly, I mean, there's a very nice significant high as buy side liquidity right there. I'm gonna put it there, right there at 127.33.3. So that's not that far. I mean, it can do it if it wants to, but first it could just go down, reprice this 1 hour fair value gap. But if you go down to the 15-minute chart, now that's where things are gonna get interesting. There's another fair value gap down there, which starts right at 26.52.5. So that's only like 12 pips away, 12 pips down there. And if I go down to the 1 minute, there was a structure shift. So if you wanted to take short here, risking the pre-market movement, I mean, London Open can definitely spike up and, you know, push those stop loss orders. But I'd like to see this drop to 52 and then maybe, you know, make a turnaround and go back up. But first of all, I'd like to see my gold trade hitting take profit right here, as you can see it right now. Come on. We don't really need too much. I would really love to see this hitting my take profit right there. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. It doesn't really need that much. It just needs one small push there. There you go. All right. So the gold trade hit take profit. I'm almost 100% sure that this could even spike more down there. Yeah, it should reprice this level. Anyway, let's go back to the pound. I could have started the day aggressively and start to short pound as well, but gun to my head, I think it's gonna go down to 52. It should go down to 52. It's at 64 right now. Love to go short here, but you know, there's no opportunity right now. But it would be great for pound to just go down, reprice that level. Let me see, by the way, do we have... Yeah, we have a fair value gap here as well on futures. You know what? F that. I might just gonna go for it, guys. Maybe I shouldn't. With only one contract. Just for curiosity, it's a small position. It's a very small position. Should be there. Yeah, it's almost the same. So it's a very small. If I wanted to go with the significant position, I would have taken like at least 2 or 3 contracts minimum. But this is just one contract, so I'm just gonna put a stop loss somewhere above here. The risk reward ratio is not even good, so buy stop right there. I don't like to trade with TradingView, by the way. I don't like this platform. Market execution, as you can see, is slow. Of course, I know we pretty much should have to enter with the limit order, which I didn't do. Anyway, London Open can also push NQ down a little bit, like 20 points. 20 points is not a big deal for NQ. Oh man. Should be going down. The draw on liquidity should be right there. Of course, I'm gonna wait for market open, and yeah, and then we will see what to do. Oh, look at that. Okay. Still, I have to wait for market open. What's the 30-second doing? Almost the perfect setup here. Oh, damn. I missed it already. You know what? F this. I'm gonna sell one here. if it starts to drop like crazy. And what's the price here? 32. I'm gonna put a limit here. And let's wait for market open. Contract killer, hey there, huge applause. It's not a nice trade actually. It's absolutely not a nice trade. It's not nice. Any setup? Well, no setup for me right now. What I'm doing here is just pure foolishness. This is a challenge account, or what it's called, combine account at Top Step. It's already at 156,000. I'm just trying to push it. NRT is here as well. Yeah, guys, don't forget the like button, you know. So I'm just waiting for market open, which is going to happen in 5 seconds. And I would anticipate a sharp drop on NQ for the 15-minute fair value gap. And as you can see, what I was afraid of is happening. It might just going to push up those shorts and squeeze out the shorts and then maybe drop down. So it was a risky position. I already made a trade. Oh, methodical man. Guys, it's great to see you all. Applause again. So I have a trade on pound futures as well, because there's nothing to do usually in London. I'm still waiting for NQ to drop to that 15-minute fair value gap, which is right down there. I still don't have a stop loss on this trade. I know that. I know. I'm gonna figure out the stop loss as soon as I start to see what's going on. I know I need to use a stop loss. I used to use a stop loss always. And by the way, guys, just saying, Friday, look at this. This is the 1 hour 1 hour NQ. Look at how beautiful Friday was. Beautiful. Repriced this fair value gap on the hourly, straight to the bearish order block, then boom, went down. It might just, you know, use this 15-minute fair value gap to push higher. Overall, I stick to my plan, the 16,257 level. If you go back on the daily to July the 19th, there's a significant high there, but the biggest surprise was, of course, gold. So gold was the biggest surprise. Just when I was uploading the forecast to my Discord, it was Sunday, I was talking about, okay, we're going to take out the 2081. And then I put this line here on Sunday that we're going to take out 2100 if we take out this level. And right after open, boom. This is crazy right now. And you know what I think? I think because it was such a huge impulse movement, it can still drop lower and take out all those positions. Lots of people jumped in here to this historical breakout, and I think it can just drive all of them down here, trigger their stops under around 2040-ish levels. So I'm not going into a short there. I'm still waiting for NQ to drop into that 15-minute fair value gap down there. And I have a pound short. It's only for fun. It's one contract, and the contract size is much lower on pound futures. So it's just the one tiny incy-wincy short here. The reason for that is I'm looking for the same to happen on the pound as on the NQ. We are in a we are repricing this bullish fair value gap currently, and I just have a feeling that we might drop lower, because overall I think pound should target 2733. Sorry, so 2733 should be the target. If I go to the daily, no, I'm an idiot. Sorry, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot, guys. I am an idiot. Not this high. 2746, significant high. Look at this. Right there. Significant high. I think that push should go there. I mean, this recent push on the daily and on the weekly should put this out, this high. we have more significant levels up there, but first, this would be the first target. That would be a reasonable target because it's a swing high. I mean, this point here is a very, very significant swing high. And it took out everything here. It took out really everything. So the only target left is here. So I'm very, very sure, I'm very confident that the 27.46 level is going to get taken out. So I know that's pretty much against what I just did here because I wanted to see pound drop down into this 15-minute fair value gap. So this is absolutely just a risky trade which I did here. It's not far. It's actually like 15 pips away. It can drop down easily. Just tap into this liquidity and then push up. So that's what I was hoping for. Otherwise, I'm looking at the same scenario on NQ. This is NQ. I'm looking for the 15-minute fair value gap, looking for that drop. And then I'm looking for a continuation to the upside. But for now, in London session, I'm looking for that drop to the 15-minute. And we didn't even look ES this morning. Of course, the same scenario. Look at ES. I mean, let's just look the 1 hour repricing, the buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. That's great. If we go to the daily, look at how juicy it is. If we look to the left, didn't take out, actually it took out this high, so I'm gonna delete that. Didn't take out this high at 46.09. It's still significant because that's the recent point where this fair value gap begins on the daily, which is from August the 2nd. And right above that, we have a new day opening gap, which only 5 points, but it's very significant. I am definitely bullish on ES as well, so that can help NQ to go up in the big run. But first, please just drop down and reprice this level. So I should be putting on some stop loss, right? Because I totally ignored putting on a stop loss. I would say if we trade above here, we're pretty much done. So I'm putting my stop right there. I know the risk reward ratio is off. It's basically because I was an idiot. I should have jumped into the trade earlier, especially on the 30-second model, which I'm using. Could have dropped in at 55, not 48. So coulda, woulda, shoulda, woulda, woulda. That's how it goes. And my pound trade is $50 down, but we made almost 400 on the gold pre-London session. So I don't really worry about the pound. Whatever it does, I don't care. I'm just really hoping for NQ here. So come on, NQ. we have no news, right? Yeah, nothing. Okay. Swiss CPI, Spanish unemployment change. Change in the number of unemployed people during the previous month. So in Spanish, there are less unemployed people, which is, it should be good news, right? Or something like that. Okay. So right now, the draw on liquidity, I think, is down there on this 15-minute fair value gap. I'm going to be taking profit just before that if it drops there. If. And that's a big if. So that's a big if. I already made a trade on gold. I can show you guys if you are interested. There. That's what I took on gold futures. Sold it at 2089.9 and exited at 85. It was right here. Sold it up here. Quick scalp, boom, went down. Made a good profit. Account summary. Where is it? Oh, there you go. You don't see it because my head is in the way. Hold on. Okay, so that made no. Oh, okay, because that's the overall. Anyway, I made almost 400, but the open orders are still negative 68. So that was a nice gold trade there. And so we're short with pound, one contract only, and we're short on NQ. And this is not a real live account. This is only a challenge account or combine account or whatever you want to call it. It's not looking that bad. It's at $156,000 at top step trader weight, which I don't really like because I don't even know why I chose this. But I like NinjaTrader. That's where I hold my personal account as well. But the goal is to take this to 59, so we're pretty much halfway there, or more than halfway there. So let's just hope it. I mean, I'm gonna trade trades. Oh, I can't speak to that. I'm gonna take trades on this account, mostly on the London session, and we'll see how it goes. If I can take this account to 159, only taking trades during the London session. So we'll see. Otherwise, everything is cool. Pound is stuck here. I don't really care about that. I'm looking at NQ. I'm waiting for the drop on NQ. Draw on liquidity is below 31, I think, or 31, or something like that. So that's what I'm hoping for. Only one contract, boys and girls. Nothing fancy, nothing crazy. I thought that, I mean, I passed a few challenges by just YOLOing, and I blew one or two accounts here and there. But I want to continue with lowering the contract size and, you know, just going slowly. And especially this trader weight account is going to be interesting for me as well, to trade it only in the London session. So should be fine. Should be fine. So pound futures. Okay. Nasdaq. Guys, I'm gonna have to go and use the bathroom. I'll be right back. Do not go anywhere, and just stay, and I'll be right back. All right. Alright, I'm here. Don't worry. Just push the like button, you know. Damn it. I hit my finger. And now it's blood everywhere. Damn it. Not good. Not good. Alright. How are we doing with NQ? Oh no. The pound is... yeah, pound is looking bad. But that's a small thing. NQ, that really interests me. Of what's going on with NQ. I would really love to see this drop. If it's not, then the last line of defense would be nowhere, basically. There's a small fair value gap here. Not that significant. That can provide some protection as a resistance. But if it trades above this swing high, then it's pretty much done. No long entries, though. So I mean, that would be interesting if this would just sharply put out this level. But then again, I'm going to be watching it closely. By the way, I got my third payout from TopStep for November. It arrived on... Friday, which was the first, so technically it's still in November. All right. Now pound is really interesting. Let's look at pound. As I was saying, we still have this 15-minute fair value gap down there. I would like to see it drop there and then go long from this area if I have a setup. Until then, this is just a tiny small position on pound futures to go down there. It's just for fun. We had a nice $400 profit on gold as we were shorting gold here this morning, as you can see. This was a nice trade, and I still expect gold. I mean, after this huge historical spike, I think still at this point, I think still a lot of long positions are stuck. Many people want to continue going long, and it's understandable. But I wouldn't be surprised if this huge spike would just, you know, squeeze out the longs by putting them all down there. That would be interesting. I'm sorry, guys. I was having a long phone call. You guys don't deserve this, but I was stupid. What do we have? I'm still in the trade somewhere. I'm still in the pound trade. Yeah, I'm in. And my NQ trade went against me. Sorry about that. And welcome everyone. Aaron, thank you very much. And sorry that I was away. So if we look at the I wasn't really wanted to enter any trades. If I mean, I want to enter, of course, I want to. Let me delete this. So now it made a new structure shift on the 15-minute chart. I wonder if it wants to go above here to the 16,000 level, because it's not far. And you know what? I might just gonna go and buy right now. There you go. I just bought it. I bought one right here. Actually, if I wouldn't be on the phone, I would have bought one on the 1 minute right here. So, as usual, I'm late 88 with at least 7 points off. NRT, congratulations for the 10 points, by the way. There's my take profit. And if it drops down again just a little bit, I'm gonna add one more. That's the strategy for today. If it drops down below 79, I'm gonna add one more. So then the entry is gonna be considered on the 5-minute chart, and that's gonna be the final setup for NQ until we get to the 16,000 level. I wouldn't be surprised if we would go up here and reprice this level here as the new day opening gap. So that could be interesting. I'm surprised that pound is still here. Look at gold. Gold took out everyone. I mean, as much as it could. Took everyone to sell side. Now we could be seeing some pressure, but it's very slopey. Actually, you know what? I missed the trade on gold. I'm gonna show you where. All right, there. There was the perfect long entry on gold. Couldn't be any better than that. That was the perfect long entry. Unfortunately, I missed it. It is what it is, guys. Could have been nice. Look at this. Yeah, it was a great entry and I missed it. Even if I just enter here with the 1 to 2. Oh, look at that. Entry at 08. Only 10 minutes. 10 minutes of the time, and could have made a nice trade. Could have, but I should have, but I would have. So now we're gonna stuck with NQ for the rest of the session. And maybe pound is gonna help us out. You know what? I might going to add one more to the pound. It does seem like it wants to go down there. No structure break on the 5-minute. How is the dollar index doing, by the way? I think it's going up. All right. So it's getting stronger. Good. So let's go back to our pound trade. And let's add one more. Added one more contract. One more sell limit right there. Oh, sorry, not there. Buy stop. That's what I wanted to do. Trade, buy stop. What the hell? I don't like trading view for I just It's just terrible. I really don't like trading view. It's horrible to trade here. Trade buy limit right there. Okay, cool. Now my stop loss would be around that level 80. Yeah, it's still not. Risk reward is still off. Trade buy stop right there. Okay. So added a little bit more. Why? Because it might just go down to this 15-minute fair value gap or not. Who cares, right? So NQ, I'm still going to add one more to this as well, but only if we spike down lower on the 5-minute chart. I don't know. If this was the Judah swing, then it would be great to see price delivery all the way up to 15,999. I should be doing a new video today. Yeah, that's what I will do. Okay, so the pound is still hovering there. And I'm still waiting for NQ to push to that level. Gonna be taking profit before that. And we missed the move on gold. Yeah, I wish I could have taken this trade here. Crazy phone call I had. Damn it. Oh no, pound is going against me. I might have to close it down. So if pound would start to shoot straight up, then I might not gonna wait for it to take me out completely. But NQ is looking good. I don't have a stop loss yet, and that's on purpose, because if it drops down here, I might add one more contract, because I wanted to take out that 16,000 level. So I'm watching it closely. I know I should be having a stop loss. I will be having a stop loss. I just wanted to take out that level. It's only how much? 1.5 handles away. Oh, there you go. All right. So at least we got back above the 16,000, 56,000. Sorry. Today we are at net $209. But the problem is that we're still suffering from the pound. If it would only drop to take out that 15-minute fair value gap down there, that would be really, really great. So now that NQ went up into this fair value gap, the question is it going to continue and reprice this new day opening gap here? Or is it just going to turn down back again and head to this 15-minute internal liquidity, this fair value gap here, this buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency from Friday New York AM session, because that's significant right there. So if I go down to the 1 minute and the 30-second, we might gonna see some reversal. Maybe that would be just beautiful, you know. This would be beautiful, tapping into this 15-minute fair value gap. Is it on the hourly as well? Yeah, it is. It is. We are inside the 1 hour fair value gap, tapped into the 15-minute fair value gap. Maybe we're gonna change some structure. I don't know. Who knows? Just have to wait. Have to wait on NQ. Oh. And by the way, guys, if you can help out the stream by pushing the like button, I would greatly appreciate it, because I'm just a small streamer, you know, guys, need some encouragement to be here. So thank you so much for pushing it. And if you want to join me on my private Discord membership, I stream exclusively for my members. You can check the link, it's somewhere down below the video. There are multiple links, you can check it out, it's on my blog. I share my exact trade model, which is based on ICT concepts. I share my screen on New York session. I trade live to my Discord members. There's weekly forecasts, webinars, setups analyzed and taken. So and try to upload more and more content and educational stuff as well. So if you want to check it out and subscribe, that would be great. I'm not a guru or a mentor, but I do this as my main income as a business. And besides that, I'm taking payouts from TopStep as a funded trader. I do want to take it as a second leg in terms of an exclusive membership. We are only a few people there, guys. I'm not gonna lie, we're not hundreds of members. It's starting out. It's a small group, but you know, we're getting there. And I'm willing to talk through and share my trades. Last week, on average, I made about 30 points on NQ every New York session, and it's all documented there, and the recordings are there in Discord. So it's great. But this would be even better if pound would just drop down. I'm not gonna sit here and wait for it. But it would be great. What is gold doing? Gold is, well, it's stuck here. Took everyone down. It might continue to go up again. On the 15-minute, we have this pin bar candle, which is significant. And you know, it's right above this 1 hour fair value gap. I'm gonna put this here. And so price can still drop down there to squeeze the longs. So it can still drop down there. Have to be cautious with the shorts. All right, back to NQ. I'm clicking all over because I have multiple screens here on my left, but just so you guys can see what I'm looking at. Love to see pound drop. If it's not really gonna drop, then I'm just gonna close it down. It's pretty much consolidating since London Open. No direction. I thought that it's gonna just drop like crazy into that 15-minute gap, but it's not doing anything, so just consolidation. I want this to drop. All right, still waiting. Let's see if there's a structure shift in NQ. I think there is one. No, there isn't. I thought, well, technically it is on the 30-second time frame. We could say that. What's that? It's 90, 93. Yeah, the range is very low. 90, 79. You know what? I have this. Yeah. Let's just go in with one contract and let's target this down here at 80. Let's target 80. Trade buy limit right down there. Why, you may ask, and you're right if you're asking. Entry is based on a 30-second structure shift. Nothing major. Don't get too excited. That's why. And so 89. I'm gonna put my buy stop right there. I hate this platform for trading. For charting is great, but not for trading. Oh no. Okay, pound is. I have to close this trade. Yeah, I have to close it, unfortunately. Or not. I don't know. Should I leave it on? What's dollar index is doing? Tapped into this. I think it should go up. Wow, relative equal lows almost. Almost. I don't like how pound is behaving this morning. I'm closing it. Closed it. So this morning we're up $160. Yeah. Better than zero, I guess. But the account is slowly getting there. 259. Today is going to be a cold day here. Yeah. Gold is going up higher. It might gonna take out this high. Most likely, I think. I would jump in, but the risk reward is off, so I'm just gonna leave it as it is. We have a 1-to-1 here to take out this low, maybe. That's what I'm hoping for. What's ES is doing? Look at the 1 hour. It did not finish the repricing of this buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. Could be dropping lower. Have a 15-minute fair value gap here and the low here. You know, that can help NQ. I mean, the way it pierced this and then dropped down lower, I really wanted to see this go down, but doesn't look good right now. I thought that we're gonna see that drop down to the 5-minute FVG right there. Doesn't look like it right now. It's because the 15-minute started to reprice this, and then it can just, yeah, that caused the trouble. So trouble on the 15-minute. Maybe, yeah, no, nothing. Structure shift on the 1 hour chart. Not looking good. Anyway, the silver bullet hour is technically over, so there's still 1 hour from the kill zone, which I don't really care that much, but I think I'm not putting on more trades on, especially not on pound. Yeah, pound made a new high here. Well, who knows, you know. If we look at pound here or here, it can drop lower, but no major structure shift. So maybe NQ will get us to 280. I don't know. We'll see. Come on. Oh, almost. Only 3 points. Less than 3 points. Come on. You can do it. Come on, Nasdaq. Let me out, Nasdaq. Just go down to 80. Almost. At least get some of the losses back and finish the London session with a little bit of profit. That would be great. Come on. Nice. Okay, so today we finished the London session with $358 net profit. The account is slowly got over the $156,000 threshold, and I'm not taking more trades in London sessions. That's it for now. I'm gonna be trading my live account in New York session on my Discord, and I think that's it for now. If you guys want to join, there are some links below. Check out those links. It's not a fancy marketing site. So it's just my Incy cheap blog where you can check my crazy video. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for being here. I'm not taking more trades on this. You can go short on pound, I guess. Oh, it's tempting. Hold on. It's very, very tempting. Oh my god. It wants to go down. I don't want to miss the move. I feel the FOMO. No, I'm not taking more trades. That's it, guys. Thank you so much. I'm not entering anything. See you guys tomorrow London session, or some of you guys in the Discord. Have a great day, everyone.